Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey with Shar on this lovely Sunday afternoon. I come to you today. I am so excited. We're doing a Trader Joe's taste test, and today we're going to be trying their beef birria. That is a popular dish here in Southern California. I tell you guys, it's at all the Mexican food trucks, restaurants. It is an awesome dish. And so I was really shocked when I saw Trader Joe's came up with one. We have two here because that's how many I'm making today, and it's the beef birria. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's slow cooked beef in a savory tomato and chili sauce. Now this, when you make it homemade, it is a process, and I tell you, it is a beautiful dish, rich in color. And so I'm excited to see how this tastes, you all, if it tastes anything like the authentic. Okay, so we know it's not gonna be too authentic, but close enough. Okay, so these are the ingredients: beef, water, onions, crushed tomatoes, tomato citric acid, chili, pepper, salt, distilled white vinegar, spices, and garlic. What I love about this is that it's clean ingredients. There's no extra crazy long words that you can't pronounce. So good clean ingredients. This is the nutrition fact on the back. Okay, this is the nutrition fact on the back. Okay, and it has a lot of protein in there, and that is what they are to look like. One thing I forgot was limes, y'all, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna go on and do this today. So we're gonna go ahead on and do this stovetop. You can do the microwave, but we're gonna do stovetop, and I'm just gonna pull this out so you guys can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like, rich in color. And we're gonna go and put this in the pot and see how it comes out. Okay, next thing next thing you need to complete this meal is some cilantro, some onions, some type of cheese. I'm using Mexican cheese, style blend cheese. They usually use just white cheese, but I have also some white cheese here, some provolone cheese. You can use white cheddar, you can use mozzarella, whatever type of cheese you like, you can choose to use in this, okay? And then we have the handmade style tortillas here. Soft and flexible, simply better tortillas, and I got this from Ralph's, okay? And so Kroger in your area. So we're gonna use these, okay? So excited because you dip the tortillas in the sauce, and then you fry it, and then you add the meat and do like a little quesadilla or a half taco, folded taco. So you guys, let's get started. I'm so excited about this, and everything else that's going to be included. We're gonna also do a taste test. I'm gonna tell you what drink we're having with this. It's also from Trader Joe's, and this is an easy Sunday dinner, child. Birria Italia blood orange soda. This is what we're going to be having, those who want soda. And so I'm gonna go ahead on and put this to the side. All right, you all, so I have placed the beef in the sauce. Some of that's the fat that's gonna melt and become, I think the sauce is gonna get even more redder because that's the way it's supposed to look. This is what it looks like up close. So hopefully it tastes just as good. I'm gonna let this all come together. So it looks like the beef just falls off the bone. It really does look like it just falls off the bone. Okay, so we're gonna let this come to a complete boil. Once that all comes together, then I'm going to take hopefully this did good. I mean, it looks real. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna take the taco shells, and we're going to wet some of the taco shells with the juice and fry it, and then fill this with cheese and the filling, and we're gonna fill it with cilantro and onions, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to a boil, so you all stay tuned. I'm thinking about just doing the tacos on an electric griddle because it'll be better for you all to see how I assemble, because everything is right there. So I'm gonna let this finish warming up. As we can see, everything is coming together here, and then once it's done, I'm gonna come in, dip a couple of the tacos, and take it over with the meat, and we're gonna assemble it right there so you guys can see how to do it. Well, at least so you guys can see how. I'm gonna try to do it. Hopefully I'm doing it right. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, this is the electric skillet. I'm gonna show you the buys the box. This is the electric skillet that I'm going to be making the shells on, and it is by Drew Barrymore. So we're gonna use her skillet to make the taco shells and finish off the the birria tacos, okay? So we have everything set up here, the cheese, we have the cilantro and the onion, and we have the different cheeses. I have my tongs here ready to go, and the meat is almost done. All right, you all, so I'm gonna pour the meat in a glass pan. Mommy's gonna help me because this table is not that big, and we're going to assemble the tacos, okay? So stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's just talk about the smell. Ma, you smell that? Y'all, ooh, the smell is amazing. So far, okay, Trader Joe's, I see you, authentic. This is 2 containers, okay? And if you want more meat, you probably will want to buy 3 or 4, depending on how many people you're feeding, so that it can be more, okay? But it's just Mom, Joshua, and I that's gonna be enjoying these tacos. But y'all, I'm gonna have to make these homemade because they're absolutely amazing. It is a process, but it's worth it. So let's get to it. Let's see what Trader Joe's did. Let me take this meat out and put it into the clear pan, and we're gonna go over and we're gonna start assembling the tacos. Stay tuned. All right, you all, so there are some really big pieces, so I'm just gonna break up those pieces that are really big so that it can be an even nice amount. Okay, y'all? Just wanted y'all to see that, y'all. It smells so good. So there is a lot of meat in there. Okay, we just want to break it up. Look how the meat breaks up. It's really, really good. Okay, so we're gonna take this skillet. Ma, is it plugged up?
Yes.
Oh, it is. Okay. $3.50. Okay, we're gonna let that get to cooking. We're gonna take this, dip it like so, y'all. We just want that nice juice to get in there. I'm just gonna do both sides. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but that's what she's doing. So she's gonna do 3 so far. And we're going to dip that in that juice. And the thing is, after we're finished, you put the juice in the bowl and then you dip the taco in the juice, y'all. Yes, I know. I know.
Maybe you're supposed to do it on one side.
I'm doing 2 sides. Okay, so there we go. That looks so good. All right, let's just wipe as we go, clean as we go. Looks good, don't it? Mm-hmm. It really looks good, you guys. Look how authentic that looks. They did really good. So now what we're going to do, we're going to start assembling the cheese. So I'm going to put a little bit of cheese here. Y'all can see it is cooking. And I'm going to put some cheese in this one. Cheese, layer it with cheese. I'm going to layer it with cheese here. Okay, y'all. And then we're going to take some of the meat here. Get some of that meat. Put it in there like so. I'm trying to gather more meat, y'all. The meat broke up so much in the tacos. There we go. Okay. Get more meat. Get some meat here. Okay, move quickly. More of meat. And then we're gonna taste these 3 for y'all. Joshua doesn't like cheese, so you can make these and you do not have to put cheese in them, okay? Some more of that meat. And that's when you add, I'll put some more cheese on top of mine. I like to do the cheese on top. Cheese on top. Cheese on top of child. That's when you gotta put these onions in here. Put the onions. Ooh. Onions. Ooh. Onions. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. And then we're gonna put some of that cilantro in there. What you doing, girl? We're gonna put some cilantro. Thank you, Trader Joe's, for helping me with a shortcut. But I am going to eventually make these myself. Okay, now y'all, what we gonna do, we're gonna start flipping it. don't think it's ready to be flipped yet. I like my shell a little bit more crunchy. So I'm gonna let that get a little bit more crunchy, and then we're gonna flip it. It's getting there. You see how that one looks? It's getting there. So we want that to get a little bit more crunchy. But in the meantime, I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese, child. Yes, I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese to these. Yes, okay. I hope I can fold it. Okay, mommy's gonna hold the camera like that, and I'm gonna try to fold these over with the tongs. Okay, so we're gonna feel that. Oh, y'all, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is just beautiful. I'm gonna fold these over with the tongs. Oh, yes, it's got those beautiful brown marks, y'all. She is proud of that. Then we're gonna fold this one over. Okay, that probably filled them too much, but that's okay. We like to get that burnt, I like it when it has the burnt cheese on the edge. This one's trying to fight me. So just go on. And you do have to be very careful. So y'all, that's looking really good. So I'm just gonna put a little piece of paper towel just to catch a little extra fat. But y'all, look how they're looking. Okay, let's get this up. That's one barista. Birria. A barista. Two Birria. Ooh. And then this one just want to act up. And number 3. Ooh, that looks amazing. Don't they look beautiful, you guys? Amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on and do a couple more. And then we're gonna do the taste test, so you all stay tuned. I turned the fire down just a little bit because this pan, yeah, let me tell y'all, this skillet, she is ready to go. All right, let's dip. Now I know Joshua does not like cheese, so what we're going to do for Joshua, we're going to make his just cheese with the cilantro. So I'm going to show you how that, and he's more of the meatier one than Mom and I. So there we go. And now we're going to add the onions. Yeah, I'm making a couple of his now. He's not here, but the sauces, because you're going to dip the sauce. Alright. The sauces go in those little bowls, Mom, because you're going to dip the sauce. Okay, you guys? Okay, so you guys, we're going to flip this. Flip this now to fold it. This is onions and cilantro. Okay. That's Joshua. And then we're going to flip this one. Pretty full, but that's okay. Alright, you all, so these are Joshua's. And we're just going to go ahead on and pick them up just like so. Go ahead on and pick it up like so. Alright, so those are his two. And we're going to turn the skillet off and try this for you guys. Alright, this is the exciting part. Alright, you all, so this is the Birria Tacos. Look how delicious they look. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And this is the sauce. So Mom and I are going to pick up one. Mom, you want to pick up one? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is delicious. And we're going to dip it. We're going to dip it because that's what you're supposed to do. And I'm going to taste it. All right, you guys, look at that. That melted cheese. Dip it in that sauce. Oh, that looks phenomenal. All right, here we go. Look at that. Oh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That is awesome. Mmm. Mm-hmm. It is a little salty. It's seasoned, honey. It is seasoned. But it is fantastic. I'll give this 2 thumbs up. Mama, what do you give it?
Definitely 2.
That is the beef birria. Y'all go out and get this. This is amazing. You guys have to, I just have to tell you, you have to make sure you go to Trader Joe's to get this street taco. It is delicious, okay? These are a lot of popular street tacos here in LA, but I'm telling you, when you can have it in your own home, try these. And when you come to LA, when you get them authentic, they're even better. All right, I just wanted you to see this up close because I like when the cheese is a little burnt around the edges. Joshua doesn't like cheese, but I'm gonna add a little bit more meat to these. All right, so this is Joshua's plate. He loves onions more than anything, so he will be dipping these in the sauce. That's how they look without, and it's very hot plate, so I need to put this down. All right, skillet is easy to clean. I will put the link down below. That is the beautiful B signature. I do have a video that just went up where it shows you me cooking breakfast, and I go more into detail about the skillet. And if you want to check that out, I'll put that link down below too as well. But I am absolutely loving it. This is my 2nd time using it, and we are in love with this skillet. This is the backsplash here, easy to put on, okay? And it does help. All right, so thank you so much. You all have a blessed week. Make sure you go and try these Birria Tacos. They are fantastic. We give them 2 thumbs up. All right, thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you all can come and check me out and see what I'm doing. Take care of one another, love one another, be kind to one another, and remember, always kindness is healthy, and it's what Jesus would do. And also make sure you keep God first. Trust Him, and He'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. I'll see you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.